In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can save a TikTok video as a GIF. Okay, so once you're on TikTok, you'll be on the home page, and then you just want to go ahead and find a TikTok that you want to share as a GIF or save as a GIF. Now, keep in mind that not all TikTok videos can be saved as a GIF, but this one that I'm on right now can. So you can see at the right-hand panel, there's a little arrow pointing to the right. That is the share button. Go ahead and tap on that. And then you can see options at the bottom like report, not interested, save video, and things like that. If you scroll all the way to the right, you see an option that says share as GIF. So you can tap on share as GIF. It's going to load up the video. So I'll just give that some time to finish. And then you'll be on the screen, and then at the top, you just want to tap on generate. And the GIF has now been generated, and you can see it there. So all you need to do to save this is to go ahead and either send it to yourself in an SMS, or you can tap on other, and you can share and you can save it using all of these methods. So the popular one that people like to use is save to drive. So you can just tap on save to drive, and then that'll be saved into your Google Drive. So that is how you can save a TikTok video as a GIF. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.